school newspapers. That's coming up in 15 minutes on WKSU's All Things Considered.
This station is testing its emergency alert system. Information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. The WKSU stations serve the East Central and East Lakeshore operational areas, and WCPN serves the Central and East Lakeshore operational areas. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
There are about 83,000 first